In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Temu to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know a quick, practical way to feature a Temu product in your TikTok content so viewers can find it easily. Start by opening your Temu account on your phone or desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the specific product you want to highlight. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact item you plan to promote. Check the color, size, or variant if that matters, so your viewers see the right product when they follow your link. On the product page, tap the Share option and select Copy Link. This captures the direct product URL to your clipboard. While you're there, save the product images to your device. Choose the clearest, most informative photos, front, back, and any detail shots that show texture or features. Saving multiple images makes your TikTok post more engaging, especially if you plan to create a photo carousel. Keep the images organized so they're easy to find when you switch to TikTok. Now, open your TikTok account. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. Select Upload and choose the images you just saved. Arrange them in a logical order, placing the best or most eye-catching image first. You can trim the duration of each photo, add simple text overlays, or choose background music if you like, but keep it clean so the product remains the focus. Next, move to the description field. Write a short, clear description of the product, what it is, a key benefit, and why someone might want it. Keep it honest and helpful. Then paste the Temu product link you copied earlier right into the description. Consider a brief call to action like see details and price at the link. If clickable links aren't available for your account or post type, let viewers know they can copy the link from the caption or visit your profile, depending on what TikTok allows for you. Use relevant keywords and light hashtags to help discovery, but avoid clutter that could distract from the link. Before you finalize everything, preview your post to make sure the images look sharp, the sequence flows, and the link appears correctly. Good lighting, crisp photos, and a straightforward caption go a long way toward building trust and boosting engagement. That's all there is to it. You've taken a Temu product, copied its link, saved the images, and built a TikTok post that directs viewers straight to it. This simple method connects your Temu item to your TikTok presence quickly and cleanly.